On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside of our Web3Py favorites module, and we're still doing the project introduction section of that module. So let's dive right in. So what we're going to do instead of using the Ethereum tester provider network, we're going to be using the HTT provider package, like I said yesterday. Luckily for us, we still have access to the HTT provider from previously in the course. This provider can be located on the Tenderly network, which is the test network that we were using before. Now, this provider address will be located on the Explorer page and it will be titled HTTPS. We will copy this address and use it to create our HTTP object, and this address will look like this. This is exactly from the Tenderly network that we're using. This is it right here. Now that we have our HTTP provider address, we can create our object. We will do this by using the following command. So you see we have W3 equals Web3, Web3.htt provider, and here's our address here. I noticed that we use the Web3.htt syntax inside the Web3 object, and then we pass the address as a parameter. This is the correct way to do it, and we'll be using the syntax moving forward. So this is the syntax we use here, the Web3 HTTP provider. You can see here we're using that inside of the Web3, and we're actually going to pass the address as a parameter to the syntax here. That's the correct way to do it. And we're actually not even doing this anymore. We actually only use that for the Tenderly example, and we did move on to a live example. But since we're still using the Tenderly, I may just show you how we actually did it on the Tenderly tomorrow. We'll pull everything up. We haven't used Tenderly in a while, so maybe I'll just reactivate the account just to show you what it looks like. I'll plug this address in and show you how we deploy the contract to the actual blockchain over there and show you how everything is to get copied and deployed. But of course, stay tuned for that. I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.